How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to adjust or change your CPC or CPV, basically the cost per click or cost per view in Google Ads. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do, obviously, is you want to log into your Google Ads account. And we basically go from there. So once you guys find yourselves on the dashboard, you want to click on the campaigns icon, basically the megaphone, as you can see here. So this one right here, where it'll take you to campaigns. And from campaigns, there should be a drop-down menu with all of your ad campaigns and ad groups. So from here, we'll select the ad group or ad campaign that whose CPC or CPV we want to edit. And to do so, it actually looks like this. Let's actually wait for this little GIF to get going. Okay, so it's this one here. Here's the list of all of your ads. You want to click on the pencil icon, as the pencil icon is actually what the edit button is. So it says so here, click on the pencil icon, and here's where you actually get to change the maximum cost per view or per click for that particular ad campaign. So from here, just basically enter the new amount and click on save, and that'd be it. And to show you guys what I mean, here's what it looks like. So you're logged into Google Ads, clicking ad campaigns, ad groups, and here under default max CPC or CPV is where you get to edit. And it goes without saying, the higher you set the CPC or CPV to, the more likely you are to generate traffic. As you give Google more money, they give your website or your ads more exposure. So yeah, that's basically it. That's all there is to it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.